Hi friends, today's class we are going to discuss about angles and different types of angles. Before that, let us discuss what is angle. Angle is nothing but joining of two rays with one initial point is called angle. Joining of two rays with one initial point is called angle. Let us discuss what is angle. Already we discussed joining of two rays. One ray BC. Next ray AB. Joining of this one ray, this also ray. Joining of two rays. This ray, that is AB. Next ray BC. Joined. Joining of two rays with one initial point, common point, is called angle. I repeat it. Joining of two rays with one initial point is called angle. Angle represents symbol. Angle. We should read this one. Angle ABC. Or we can read angle CBA also. CBA also we can read. Angle ABC or angle CBA. In this angle ABC, AB and BC is called arms. So AB and BC is called arm. This B is called vertex and angle measured by degree. Angle measured by degree. Okay. Already we discussed in lower class how to measure angle with the help of protractor. So we can divide the angle in 7 types. First one is zero angle. Next one acute angle. Next right angle. Next obtuse angle. Next straight angle. Next reflex angle, and last one is complete angle. First of all, let us discuss zero angle. An angle measured with a 0 degree is called zero angle. Measurement of angle is 0 degree. So it is called zero angle. See here, angle A, B, C. A, B, here C. How much degree? 0 degree. So it is called zero angle. Now let us discuss what is by acute angle. An angle which measure above 0, below 90. Above 0, below 90. Then that type of angle are called acute angle. Above 0 means 1 degree to till 89 degree. See here angle A, B, C. Imagine here 40 degree is lies between 0 and 90. I mean 1 to 89. An angle which measure 1 to 89. I mean above 0, below 90. It is called acute angle. Next, let us discuss right angle. An angle which measure sharp 90 degree. I mean right angle. So see here, angle ABC. An angle with 90 degree is called right angle. Now let us discuss obtuse angle. An angle which measure above 90, below 180. Above 90, below 180. Then that type of angles are called obtuse angle. Above 90 meaning 91 to 179. An angle which measure 91 to 179. See example figure. Here 90 straight, above 90. Here 90, above 90 till where 179 also goes to obtuse angle. I mean an angle which measure above 90, below 180. Then that type of angles are called obtuse angle. Next, let us discuss straight angle. Straight, from that word we can understand straight angle. I mean straight. How much degree this one? See here, angle A, here B, here C. Straight. I mean an angle which measure 180 degree is called straight angle. Straight angle, 180 degree. Next type of angle is reflex angle. from the word reflex angle, reflex we can understand. Suppose here you imagine A, here B, here C, straight. From that reflecting down, suppose from here AB. Now here A, B, C. An angle which measure more than 180 less than 360 is called reflex angle. More than 180 less than 360. Next we can discuss complete angle. Complete, from the word we can understand an angle which measure 360 degree total rotation. Then that type of angle is called complete angle. See from the big figure A, B and here C. A, B, C, total rotation 360 degree. An angle which measure 360 degree total rotation is called a complete angle. So students, let us conclude our class. So before that, what we have discussed, let us revise. We discussed about angles. Joining of two rays with one initial point is called angle. That common point is called initial point. There are two arms for one angle. Next we discussed about different types of angles. There are 7 types of angles. First one is zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. First of all, zero angle, an angle which measure 0 degree. AOG, an angle which measure 0 degree is called zero angle. Next, acute angle, an angle which measure more than 0 less than 90. I mean 1 to 89. Then that type of angle is called acute angle. Next, right angle, an angle which measure 90 degree angle COA, this angle, right angle. Next we discussed obtuse angle, an angle which measure more than 90 below 180. Here 90, more than 90 below 180. Angle DOA, this angle DOA is called obtuse angle. Next we discussed straight angle, straight, an angle which measure 180 degree is called straight angle. Angle EOA, this straight angle. Next we discussed reflex angle, an angle which measure more than 180 less than 360. More than 180 from here. FOA is called reflex angle, and last one is complete angle, an angle which measure 360 degree total rotation. Then it is called complete angle. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please subscribe and forward to your other friends. Thank you.